number 1. Disk management can be accessed in the control panel. Look for administrative tools. Then double-click on the computer management icon. In the system, in the security window, click on the administrative tools and the management window. Double-click on the computer management icon. When computer management opens, click on disk management on the left side on the window. Located under storage. After a brief loading period, disk management should now appear on the right side of computer management window.
Yeah, be no young nigga with the most money. Take her home, skeeter like I'm Doug Funny. Patty mayonnaise packs in my left hand. Green light.